So, ladies and gentlemen, you know that it's a very beautiful morning. Good morning to all of you. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you know, these legs, and legs. These feet and legs are going to take you around the world. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, while you are just seeing the morning beauty and the chirping of the birds and the biodiversity of this beautiful exotic park in the morning breeze, ladies and gentlemen, you know, as I was telling you repeatedly, legs and feet are your second heart. Okay? If you need to control and safeguard your heart, because you know, heart is stopped, I and you are dead. So if you want to just, ladies and gentlemen, safeguard your heart, you need to walk, you need to run, because you know that these legs are the second heart. You can just control, ladies and gentlemen, your cholesterol, your heart, your lungs. Daily sweat at least once, because you know, ladies and gentlemen, this heart of yours, and of course mine, this heart and these lungs, they need to increase their rate. You know, the heart rate, the beating of the heart, and the pumping of the air, the oxygen in the lungs. It should increase by 30%. Daily, ladies and gentlemen, it needs to increase by 30%. You see, these people, they are out of their homes, because you know, as I was telling you repeatedly, time and again, sitting is killing, sitting is smoking, sitting is cruel, and sitting is disease. So, you know, ladies and gentlemen, in this beautiful park, so many people just enjoying the morning walk, the morning only for fitness. You know, fitness first, study first. That should be the motto of life. Fitness first and study first. And for that, study first, you need to get a good education. You need to be in the top schools, colleges, universities of the world. You just see, ladies and gentlemen, this person is doing utthak baithak, sit-ups. That's also very important. Sit-ups is important. Running is important. Walking is important. Because this is what can give you fitness. Fitness first, because this body is the only tool. It's the only position, greatest position that God has given you to do everything possible in this world. So, if you want to do great things, you want to do things in this life, you need to keep this gift of God to you. This human body, you need to keep it fit and going. Keep the body fit and going, ladies and gentlemen. Keep the body fit and going. Fit and going, keep the body fit and going. Fit and going. That's why I say fitness first. Fitness first. Fitness first. That should be our slogan. That should be our motto. That is fitness first. Keep running, keep walking, keep moving. Movement and change is the source of life. Sitting at one place for hours together, it is death. It is inviting diseases and death. So, ladies and gentlemen, study first. Great institutions, great colleges, great universities, and then of course the fitness first. These two things, two slogans. When you embrace study first, fitness first, all other things, the beauty of life, all other things, all other things are coming as a byproduct. All the material things, cars, good food, healthy food, and then vehicles and big houses, palatial houses, penthouses and mansions. They are a byproduct of these two very important slogans. That is study first, which will give you career and high positions in life. And of course, then fitness first. And then walk fearless, full stride, not baby steps, full stride in life. Even if you have to walk in the hell, no problem, because you'll come out untouched. You'll come untouched, ladies and gentlemen. आप इसको पकड़ कर रख लीजिए. Oh, that's great, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. God bless you. Keep happy and smiling. So today I have given you two slogans, two mottos, two credos, two agendas of life. That is fitness first and study first. All other things, ladies and gentlemen, are the byproducts. People are running, people are walking. Study first and of course fitness first. Thank you. God bless you. Keep happy, smiling, walking and running. Walking and running with your legs and feet. They are the second heart because they pump back blood to the whole nook and corner of the body. Don't depend on heart on. Depend on your legs and your feet also. Ladies and gentlemen, use our and your second heart. That was why I started my talk this beautiful morning. So take care and enjoy life with fitness first, study first.